Hello there, my name's Gareth and I'm going to show you through a little demo of our new modular feature with Nomi. So this is going to enable you to run the payroll through Nomi, and it's going to enable you to actually pay the employees through our integration with Modulr. So this is something you'd have had to set up beforehand, but this is just showing you how the actual functionality is going to work once you've set it all up. So first of all, you come into the Nomi compliance, then we want to go to the payroll module. And then once that's loaded, we first want to go and edit the employee. We want to make sure that the bank details are in for each employee. So Mr. Director 1 here, we're going to come down to mandatory payroll information. We're going to make sure that the frequency is correct, the payment method is credit transfer, bank name is correct, and the sort code and account number is entered there. So next thing we're going to do right here is we're going to run the payroll up here. And while that is loading, we're then going to run that. And then so once we've run the payroll, we're going to go to the reports. I personally like to make sure that the payslips are all correct. So I'm going to go to reports down here and just double check the payslips. And I'm just going to go into one of the payslips, just double check that everything's all good. Great, that's what I expect it to be. Just because you're not just running the payroll, you are actually paying the employees. So there's a whole different level of due diligence needed there. So next up in the reports page, we're going to come to this direct payment button. And what we're going to do, we've got the net pay listed down there, we've got a list of all the employees, and we're going to click pay with Modulr. And then continue. And then so we're going to log in with our Modulr ID. This will all have been set up beforehand. Confirm connection. And then so this is just going to connect Modulr with Nomi. You select which business, so you'll have the different clients down there, and just make sure you select the right one. And continue, add the reference, so for this one it's November pay, for example. And then you tick all the employees that you would like to pay. I'm not going to do Director 1 because there's no money there. And don't forget to select the account, which I nearly did here. So Nomi GBP, continue. It gives you a nice little summary of the number of payments and the total amount that's going to be paid. Continue, and just like that, the payment request was sent. So that is all it takes to pay a client's employees through Nomi and the Modulr integration. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.